Traders, I'm looking at Apple daily chart. There's a few things about this that I want to cover in this video, and I'll try to keep it as short and sweet as possible. First up, we have relative equal lows, double bottom, break below. So this is attacking liquidity under, followed by this strong rally. Now, this is generally a typical reversal pattern. Not saying that that's what's going to happen, but when we see a move like this, taking out stops and a strong rally, quite often, or more often than not, we're going to see a move back down, higher low here, and then possibly this continues up. Right now, that's theoretical. What I'm getting at with this is I'm looking for a short opportunity. However, targeting these lows is out of the question for me at the moment, given that we've got this price action. So I'm looking to sell. We have here lower highs, lower lows. So that's giving me a reason to go short, followed by this rally here that's overextended, and this has moved into my key Fibonacci zone. You can see this blue colored zone here. On a trend continuation strategy, or with a trend continuation strategy, this is my entry point. So I'm looking for an entry point in this blue zone, so we can call that our sell zone, something like that. Look for a short, and I'm thinking that Monday we could see this push up to take out stops, and then possibly Tuesday, Wednesday we start to see it roll over. Now I'm looking for a move, say, into the 1st of March, so for the rest of February. So let's just have a look at this. Here we've got 1st of March. This could continue down further than this low. However, as I said, you want to be careful given this price action. So with an entry point around here, let's just grab a short position tool. We're going to find a suitable stop loss level, and I'll go for a 1 to 2 risk reward, and that brings this into the lows around this red candle prior to this move here, so we could mark that up, something like that. If I bring on my indicators, let's have a look and see what this gives us. All right, so we've got big resistance above the trend channel. I'll take my support and resistance off. Just isolate the trend channel. See this midline here, this is the mean. So we can see this is heading south. So the trend is bearish, obviously. We've got this break here. So this is a break of structure down here. And the pullback into the 61.8 to 786. Now let's just bring in the trend bars, bar colors. All right, so you can see this has shifted. This is a green trend here. We're seeing the red break, the white bars coming in. This is a balance area, indecision. And now we're seeing this predominantly red back into white, and I'm thinking we see more red bars. Now, this would be a target 1. So if that's an entry point, look, target 1, you'd go 1 to 1 risk reward, take some of your position off, then target 2, and then possibly down here be target 3. Something like that. So T3, let's just pull that down. And I mean, look, if this does move in our favor, we could trail this and with a trailing stop and see how we go. Now, here's another thing to consider. See these lines here? We've got this white line right there, white horizontal line. This is from our indicators. This is a monthly. The white lines are monthly. So that's a monthly previous high or low. And directly above that, there's a orange line. That's a previous weekly high or low. And this is why slightly above this level here would be an ideal stop loss level. Okay, above this weekly, daily combo. And that's my take on Apple at the moment, guys. I'm short for the rest of February to March. Jump on board with us. We've got a free VIP 30-day trial going. Have a look at the website, tradingwithanthony.com. All the info is on there. And you also gain access to our indicators, the signals that the indicators give us. We've got all these opportunities here that we can look at in the alerts log. Okay, so with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.